This is the energy medicine yoga practice for the earth element. This element is associated with the archetype of caretaker. And the challenge for this archetype, for this element, is over compassion. So, to transform this challenge, we need to lean into self love. I'm going to start in a standing position. Find a comfortable stance. Maybe your feet are a little bit wider than your hips, maybe closer together, whatever feels good. And ground through your feet. Perhaps close your eyes and feel the 3 points of your feet equally pressing into the floor. Your big toe mound, your little toe mound, the center of your heel. You can visualize growing roots from the soles of your feet all the way to the center of the earth. Those roots act like channels for the energy from the earth to go into your body to support you. Every time you feel a bit out of balance, you can do just that, a little bit of grounding through your feet. And now bring your hands to your elbows, arms over your chest, and start cradling your body, your chest, as if you're cradling a baby. You can rock from side to side. You can kind of step to one side, the other. You can step back and forth all the way, feeling the support from the earth and the self-love that you can offer to yourself. Breathing nice and slow, soft. Nothing is forced. Stay here as long as you want. And then keeping your hands on your elbows, start taking your arms up over your head or as far as high up as it feels okay for your shoulders. Again, you can turn from one side to the other. You can keep walking and kind of feeling your place on this planet, on this earth, giving yourself love. And then shake your arms out, take your arms up, and we're gonna do Celtic weave, going back and forth, down and up. Arms crisscross as you fold forward, and arms crisscross, back and forth, waving, weaving, up and then down. And do it 2 more times. Breathing nicely. Last time. Stay in a forward fold for as long as you wish. And if you want, you can flicker your fingers like this, starting from your index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Index, middle, ring, little finger. Head heavy, neck soft. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Shake your arms, and again through Celtic weave, go all the way up. Relax. Ground one more time. Take your left thumb and index finger around your earlobe on the right side, your right ear, and your right arm crosses over your left, your thumb on your right hand and index finger take the left earlobe and start massaging your earlobes. Bring the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. And as you inhale, squat. as low as it feels comfortable. And as you exhale, bring yourself up. Do it 6 more times. Inhaling down, exhaling up, down, and up. 3 more. Massaging the ears. Release your arms, and once again, feel your connection with the earth. Take both hands on the right side of your waist, one hand on top of the other, and drag your hands down towards your left hip. Pressure that feels comfortable for you. Now, on the other side, hands on the left side of your waist, dragging your hands to your right hip. Do it a couple more times. This is called belt flow, and it connects the energies between the top body and the bottom body. Relax. Now take a seated position so that the soles of your feet are together, your knees are apart. Your feet don't have to be very close to your groin. In fact, take them further out so that your lower back feels very comfortable. Bring your hands behind your back, maybe on fingertips, or if you need, put blocks behind, and open your chest. Drop your chin down and breathe. Now fold over, rounding your spine forward and down as far down as it feels comfortable. And here you can press your thumbs right in the center of your inner foot, right here. And then your index fingers will go right on the bottom of the outer side of your big toe. Pressing the acupressure points that will help us ground even more. Stay here as long as you would like. Now stretch your legs forward. Hands behind your back. Now straighten your legs forward, your hands behind your back. Open your heart. You can just stay here, grounding through your sits bones, through the backs of your knees, and through your heels. If you want to, you can point your feet and lift your hips. If it doesn't feel good, stay without lifting. And when you feel done with that, you can fold forward. Stay here as long as you need, and then bring yourself into Shavasana. Your legs can be stretched. I prefer to have my legs bent. For the earth element, at the beginning of Shavasana, you can You can rub your hands together until they get hot and cup your eyes, placing the heels of your hands onto your cheekbones and the little fingers are touching at the center of your forehead. Slow and nice breath. Whenever you feel done with cupping, release your arms on the floor and rest for as long as you wish. And if it feels comfortable, you can actually rest hugging yourself, crossing your arms over your chest. If it doesn't feel good, your arms can be in any other position.